In this video, we're going to start the edge. Work 1 puff 3 between the first puff 3 and single crochets of the round 15 on the right. Chain 1. 1 puff 3. Continue to work ahead of the round 16, working 2 puffs separated by 1 chain. Now, in the corner, work 4 puffs separated with 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch and work 5 single crochets. Five single crochets in each chain's 3 space. Five single crochets. Repeat this 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total 48 puffs 3. 80 single crochets, 28 chains 1. One single crochet in the first chain 3 space of the round 18. chains 3, 1 single crochet in the next space, 2 chains 3, 1 single crochet in chain 6 space of the round 18, chains 5 and work 1 double crochet front post in the double crochet of the round 16. Chains 3, 1 double crochet front post, chains 4 so that the corner is not tight, 1 double crochet front post, chains 3, 1 double crochet front post, chain 5, 1 single crochet in the chain 6 space of the round 18. Repeat this sequence 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 16 double crochets front post, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 5, 4 chains 4, 20 chains 3. Work in the second chains 3 space of the round 20. 1 single crochet, chains 3, skip 4 single crochets of the round 19 and work 4 single crochets. Continue working in the space between the puff. 1 puff 3, chain 1, 1 puff 3. In total, 14 puff and 7 chains 1. In the corner you work only 2 poofs, not 4 as in round 19. Skip 1 stitch and work 4 single crochets. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch and first single crochet. Total 56 puff 3, 32 single crochets, 8 chains 3, 28 chains 1. Now let's continue working on the net that separates each group of 2 puffs. One double crochet in chains 5 space of the round 20. Chains 3. 1 double crochet in the next space. Chains 5. One double crochet in the next space. Chains 3. 1 double crochets in chains 5 space of the round 20. Chains 3. Work in double crochets front post of the round 18. 1 double crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 double crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 double crochet front post in first central puff of the round 17. Chains 4. 1 double crochet front post in next puff. Chains 3. 1 double crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 double crochet front post. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 16 double crochets, 16 double crochets front post, 4 chains 5, 4 chains 4, 32 chains 3. Work 1 puff 3 in the space between the puff and first single crochets of the round 19. Skip 1 stitch. 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet and cut the yarn. To make the puff of the next corner, turn the work and do it from the back side, so it won't be crooked. Repeat in the next corners. Total 8 puff 3.